how to link Epic Games account to Xbox account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can link Epic Games account to Xbox account. To do so, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar you need to type epicgames.com. Once you have entered this URL, now press the enter button to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Epic Games. Once you reach to this page, you will make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged into your account, here at the top right, you will find your account name. Click on your profile picture, and from this drop-down, select Account option. By doing so, now you will reach to your account settings page. Here at the left side, you will find some options. You need to scroll down and click on this Apps and Account option. Once you click on it, at the right side, you will be able to find various applications. You need to scroll down and find Xbox icon here. Once you find the Xbox application, click on the Connect button below it. Once doing that, you will be taken to a new page. Here in this dialog box, you will find Connect Account button. Now you will need to click on this Connect Account and you will be directed to the Microsoft website to sign in. Wait for a while, and here in this page, click on this Accept button at the right bottom. By doing so, you will agree to the terms and conditions of connection between Epic Games and Xbox account. After that, you will see your accounts has been connected successfully. You will be able to share data such as Fortnite progress between the platforms now. It also allows you to use the same Epic Games account on both Xbox and other platforms. So by following these steps, you should be able to link Epic Games account to your Xbox account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.